All right, let me show you how I play control real quick. So a dude try to get up the steps, had to blam him real quick. I had to blam you on me. Blam, 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 blam. Let's scope outside, see what's going on. All right, it's not lit out there. Let's see what's going on upstairs. Let's see if we get a pleasant surprise. Pleasant surprise. Had to put shots in his body. He was trying to get past me. Couldn't let him get past me. Never that. No ops. Shall prosper on my watch. Let's see what's going up. I had to throw the smoke. Feel me? I'm like Ninja Assassin, Ninja Gaiden in the smoke. You know what I mean? Surprise my enemies. I saw the dude's shadow. I know he upstairs. Let's go pay him the visit like a Jehovah's Witness at the door on a Sunday morning. Rammed him. Rammed his homie too. Rammed his butt buddy because he was trying to save him. He's trying to save him. And I was trying to end his life. Yeah, I know. He say, oh, yo, he's on the roof. He's on the roof. Dude landing in 5, 4, 3, 2. Get bland. You should have knew better because you only had 2 plates. Slammed him.